After spending Sebastian's birthday in Fort-de-France, we sailed up the coast to the north of the island at Saint-Pierre. Arrived in on Martinique. We dropped the anchor and now we are eager to go ashore and see what this area has to offer. You can see the volcano up there. It looks like a nice cozy little city. Before the big volcanic eruption in 1902, Saint-Pierre was known as the Paris of the Caribbean and was the most important city on the island, both in culture and finance. But the city and about 30,000 people was burned or buried alive when Mount Pelee had a massive eruption in May 1902, killing everyone within a few minutes. The ruins of the first church on Martinique that was destroyed in the eruption can still be seen in Saint-Pierre. In Saint-Pierre, we once again met up with our friends from the other Danish boats, and like always, we have a lot of fun with them. Sailing around full time wears the boat down. Add the hard sunshine and the extra people on board, and you will need a lot of cleaning and a lot of maintenance. Everyone gives a hand with every small or big thing, and that's part of the sailing life.
Boat work in Martinique. I've been for 2 days. I've been chasing around this city to find a guy who could help me with doing cutting and welding. And finally, I guess that this guy, this chef, and he starts doing a perfect job.
So the part is done.
Took me more than 2 days to find this Frankenstein solution of 2 different parts.
Yeah, for the diving compressor.
Yeah, so it's brand made. It's very, very hot.
Yeah.
That's why I walk around with this. It's like I cannot take my hand closer than this, then it's burned. Climbing up the volcano. It's a pretty steep climb.
Hvad siger vi til
Voila! Og du er overhovedet ikke forpustet. Hvad er der her på vulkanen?
Lidt diset. Og koldt, ja. Det er faktisk koldt.
Og en åndssvag, hvor I brokker jer, mand.
Længere ned er det flot.
Mont Pelee means the bald mountain, and it's an active volcano at the northern end of Martinique. Its last big eruption was in 1932, but as recent as last year in November 2020, they measured some tremors, putting the volcano's alert level from green to yellow. Pelee is the third highest summit in the Lesser Antilles, and the height to the summit takes you to about 1,395 meters above water level.
Vi venter på, at vulkanen går i udbrud. Det har den ikke gjort endnu, men det begynder at ryste lidt. Så vi kravler nedad. Socializing, Martinique.
Anyone who knows us knows we love music and singing. So here is a quick recap of top 14 singing music moments in Martinique. Beach volley with Baloo and Batana and El Iber. And when we're not singing, making fools of ourselves, and we're not losing in beach volley, then there's time for a friendly skipper dinghy race, because really they are just big boys.
Ja, så er de i gang. Batana tog ham lige et kort øjeblik, men Torben kom stærkt igen. He's winning. Woohoo! Come on, baby shark. And finished. Little thieves trying to steal the fisherman's fish, all the pelicans.
And after about 6 weeks on Martinique, it was time to provision and leave for Curacao.
Shove 'em up.
Goodbye Martinique. After just over a month, we are leaving and going to Curacao. It will be like 3 to 4 days sail, depending on the wind. We're gonna have plenty of wind, it seems like. We really love Martinique. It's a wonderful island. It has many things to offer. Our best recommendations. And we have plenty of wind so far. 20-25 knots from behind, and it's the first crossing for our new crew, Melina and Alberte. They didn't do any night sailing or any longer passenger ships, so right now everything is good, but we'll see how it is in a few hours.
Lignede det ikke en baby?
just had a bite on the fishing pole, resulting in the fishing pole breaking, snapping right in half, and one half falling into the water away with the fish, and the other one hitting Torben in the head. So he's yeah, at least the setup works.
Nej, jo, hvad?
Bare hak ind i siden på noget. Så tager vi det på her. I siden, men jeg slipper.
Ej, jeg får blod ned i din ned. Skal vi? Mor, det der til aften. Nå, ja. Men hvis vi fanger 2, så er der nok til. Bam!
We are almost there. It's day 4, I think, and about 2 hours until we are there, and people are drinking cafe lattes and kora mahi mahi. And then another fish broke our fishing rod. That was not so funny, but all in all it's been a good trip. So we're looking forward to dropping the anchor in an hour or so, and enjoying some calm seas. Hopefully, it's been really big waves. Yeah, it's been a good trip.
In the next episode, we reach Curacao, where we're met by a friendly coast guard before exploring this beautiful island. See you next time. Thanks for watching.